Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Ford Bronco Sport and I will show you the location of the spare tire and spare tire tools. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2021 all the way up to 2027. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. So if you open the liftgate and then lift this floor cover, the spare tire will be located right here, and the spare tire tools are under the tire. To access the spare tire tools, you just have to first remove the spare tire. You can do that by unscrewing the screw all the way to the left and then just remove everything. Yeah, so that's where it is. And yeah, by the way, this spare tire should be here in the middle of these screws, so somebody who was installing this didn't do the right job. So yours will be probably nicely aligned in this hole. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.